Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. So today we will be covering one new and very interesting topic, that is here in query panel there is properties button. We will be seeing the functionality of this particular button. Till now we have covered up these things till refresh, preview and then manage. Now we will be covering properties and then advanced editor. So let's get started. When we click on properties button, there we can see that two options are there: enable load to report, include in report refresh. So basically this is very useful UI given into Power BI query editor. So suppose if there are three tables or data set into the Power Query editor named as TVL SQL demo and then 2 and then 3. So if we want, if we right click over it, and there we are having two options here: enable load and include in report refresh. The difference between both are, if we click if the enable load is checked, is unchecked, suppose we should understand in reverse manner. So if we uncheck this enable load option, so when we will close and apply, this particular table will be not loaded into Power BI visuals. If suppose I am unchecking it, you can see it as well. Continue, close and apply. So what you will see is, let me go to, so you are seeing that only two tables have been loaded: TVL SQL demo 2 and 3. So these three tables are loaded, and that particular table which we unchecked from getting loaded, so that is not loaded. So that is into the query window, but it is not loaded here. We can use them into some other table, but we can't load into this particular window. So this is that functionality of that particular button. And if we click again on transform data, and if we uh, again check it back, so it is now visible here. Now again, if we want to include in report refresh, if we uncheck this particular one, include in report refresh, so what will happen? So whenever we will click on refresh preview, and under that refresh all, so what it will do, it will refresh all the tables. That means if it will refresh TBL SQL demo 2 and 3, but it will not refresh TBL SQL demo. Why this particular button is given? What is the usage of this particular button? So actually, when there is some static table, or there is some mapping table into our Power BI desktop, which is very big, and if we don't want to refresh it again and again because it is not changing frequently, so we can mark it as right click and then include in report refresh. We can uncheck this particular button. So this will enhance our refreshing speed of Power BI data sets. So that was all for today, and I hope you guys have understood this functionality, that include in report refresh and enable load. What these two buttons are very much useful on day-to-day basis. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let me know into the comment section if you are having any doubt. So thank you so much once again.